Monday morning here in Thunderbird, La Union, and well, welcoming me in his room, future Royal Ambassador Fernan.
Yes,
Kwarto niyo ba ito?
Yes,
Exciting, may narinig ako sa kwarto. Pasok tayo, tingnan natin kung anong kaguluhan nito.
welcome! Ayan po.
Yan, no? Say hi to the camera! These are the future Royal PRAs! Yeah! Yes! That's partner Joey! Gosh, ito yung eksena sa aming balcony. Tignan nyo ngayon, yung medyo malakas yung waves right now because there's actually a typhoon here. And guys, nakikisabay. Pero it's okay, we're just enjoying our time in the room. But for now, take a look at the waves. Huge waves. There.
I'll sing you all my love, every day a letter. Still be the king. Yes, it's gonna be a cold, lonely summer. But I will be emptiness. I'll send you all my dreams. Every day a letter. Still with a king. Still with a king. Yeah! Ang galing! Ang barok na.
Yes!
There is one man most everything I see. Now the clouds in my sky, got the sun in my eyes. And I won't close the eyes, it's a dream. Because you are here, you're the nearest thing to heaven that I
Sing it all!
Top of the world, looking down creation, and the only explanation I can find
Is the love that I found ever since you've been around.
you're the floating at the top of the world.
Top of the world! Top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me on the top of the world. Top of the world, looking
Down on creation, and the
only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around.
your love puts me at the top of the world.
Yeah! Woo! Top of free life living! And the score is... Na-inlove tuloy si partner Joey lalo. Yes! And you left me just when I needed you most. Ang mag-ama, ngayon lang nagtagpo.